Season 1, Waves and Sound, Physics in a Necrotic World, Episode 8, Sound Waves. Welcome, strangers. Want to hear a fairy tale? Of course you do. Once upon a time, scientists noticed how particles are strange. They can be connected, but physically far apart. Entanglement. They can be in multiple states at once, superposition, and they are spooky. Spooky actions at a distance. So we love a good ghost story. Anyways, like all ghost stories, there's no real ghost. Trust me on this one. No ghosts. At least not here anyways. And quantum weirdness isn't weird. It's just how possibilities behave within chaotic living systems. Possibility is faster than light. It's beyond light speed. Reality is about possibilities connecting faster than thought. Sound waves oscillate to and from, back and forth, forwards and back, then colliding, banging together, transferring energy, bumping all the way to your eardrum if you'd like. Or if you don't, maybe wear some of those noise-cancelling headphones. Electric fields are like bumper cars. They bump along and pass the message like that playground whispering game. What was it? Is it Chinese whispers? Yeah. Some of the noise might get lost in transmission. Sound travels fastest in solids. Air, not so much, but good enough. Lately, you know what I found out? I found out that the lowest volume on a phone can only be heard by you, if anything, if you're holding by, your ear. And to avoid, obviously you have to touch your ear with it. But to put it on your earlobe is how you can hear it. Real, can you not? Yeah, that's my younger brother, Rion. Electric fields are like bumper cars. They bump along and pass the message like that playground whispering game. Some of the noise might get lost in transmission, like right now, me trying to explain it and my little brother is just here. I love him, but sound travels fastest in solids. Air, not so much, but good enough. Lately, I found out the lowest volume on a phone can only be heard if you hold it to your ear. And to avoid damaging your ear bone, I use bone conduction. Rion, please stop. I use bone conduction by the principle that it will radiate from close to my ear because of the proximity. Because the solid earlobe is faster. Please no. Hang on. So you place it on the edge of your earlobe instead of covering your ear canal. So it's all about vibrating in the same direction as energy transfer, like a slinky. Bump, 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 all the way, yeah? Except not in space, because space is a vacuum. This means that there are no particles. It's not possible to hear someone talk there. Check the oscilloscope. This can display vibrations on the screen of a cathode ray tube. Sound needs particles. It absolutely requires a medium to travel in. Perhaps it's best to take that lip reading course, mate, especially if you're planning to meet those aliens. See you next time at Physics in a Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian, R out.